MIUI global stable version 12.5.1 running on the Xiaomi 11. This is here the European version running the EU ROM. So guys, if you have missed my last video, you can check here all the new features and of course what is still missing from the China version, right? Because it's Xiaomi, right? There are differences. There is an Indian team mainly working on the global ROM and there is a China team working on the MIUI China, and yeah, to cut the long story short, all the latest things always arrives first for the China ROMs. But this is not the topic of this video. I wanted to do a video about all the special features that you can do with this ROM. Scroll down in the settings and you're gonna see something called special features. Click inside and you find several things: Game Turbo, Video Toolbox, floating windows, second space, Lite Mode, and also heart rate. So in this video guys, I'm going to be testing all these features, explaining what you can do with them and how you can use them to gain benefits. And speaking about special features, if you're here for the first time, I would really specially appreciate if you can check my other videos and then you can decide to subscribe for my channel if that's the case and you like my videos. But first things first, we're going to be starting here with Game Turbo. What is Game Turbo? As the name suggests, it is a tool for you to optimize your gaming experience. When you first launch it, you're gonna get this, I would say, rather futuristic interface with all your games here, and of course pressing open will start the game. From the plus sign here, you can add some other games, right? If somehow the system didn't really discover them, and you can see I have 223 games already installed on my phone. I have 2 kids, 2 boys, right? It's not me. What is more important guys, you can here see also the allocation, CPU and memory, and there is this nice button here, right? It's not really like the standard hamburger menu, but if you click on this, you're gonna get all the settings. Game Turbo, improving your game experience. In-game shortcuts, so while you're playing a game, you're gonna get access to the Game Turbo settings. I'm gonna show you later. You can also remove added games from the home screen with this. You can uninstall games. Homepage orientation, of course you can choose from vertical and also from horizontal. You can place a home screen shortcut to Game Turbo, and then there is the sweet things here, the performance mode. Performance mode will optimize system for gaming. Performance mode will reduce the Wi-Fi network delays, and you have also optimized touch controls, increased touch response and sensitivity. And in that case, you are gaining benefits from the 240 Hz touch pulling refresh rate from this magnificent screen, which you know is 120 Hz refresh rate, 240 pulling. All right, going back, performance optimization, avoid overheating and hardware related issues. You know the story with Mi 11. People were claiming that excessive gaming will really make the device hot, but that's a Snapdragon 888 thing, right? Memory exceptions, guys. You can also choose some games to be excluded from the memory exceptions, and you have game DND. And that's very important. If you play games, the only thing you don't want is somebody to really interrupt your experience, so you can set up the DND features, right? And then there is also some other settings, guys. The additional settings allow you to fine-tune your experience individually for certain games. If I click the champions here, you have the gestures, you have touch-resistant area and enhanced visuals, but see here, this is interesting. If I click here and I choose the Pro mode, right, or if I choose the Customize mode, I'm gonna get individual adjustment on the swipe response, sensitivity to continuous taps, aiming accuracy, and tap stability, right? So what more can you want? You can see here you can go from none, you can go to small, you can go also to medium and to large. And you have also enhanced visuals, increased contrast and enhance the game details. From original, you can go to moderate, to strong and to extreme. And of course you can go and you can restore these settings. So this is very handy. If you're really a gamer, this can make difference with your gameplay experience. So really thumbs up to Xiaomi for adding this function. All right, next thing is the Video Toolbox. If you click on the Video Toolbox, you're gonna see here special effects and features for video playback. This doesn't tell us much. You have some settings there to access the shortcut, and of course you have a shortcut location. And then you have also manage video apps. So you see, you can choose certain apps to manage your videos. But let me show you how you can access this and what it does. All right, I'm playing a video, but what you cannot see here, there is a shortcut. If I do like this, you're gonna see Video Toolbox. So right now I have the upscale option. Upscale your videos, right? If I'm watching a 1720p video, you can upscale it to 2K. Then you have also refresh rate, right? You can auto adjust it, or you can go also 120, and you have also style. You can go to HDR, you can go to original. This really enhances your experience real time. You can go also black and white, you can go warm and adjust the white balance. So this Video Toolbox allows you the option to change these things in real time. And having the Snapdragon 888, of course, makes this very seamless and quick. You can also record, you can do screenshots from your video, and you can also go here, right? And you can cast it. If I press here the cast button, I'm gonna be able to cast the video that I'm seeing here on, you see I have a Philips TV and I have also the Chromecast, but Philips TV is using Mirrorcast, so this right now is optimized for Mirrorcast. Of course, I can also use it to Chromecast, but not through here. All right, third option is one of my favorite, floating windows, right? Floating windows. What does this mean? And there are a lot of things explained here, but actually let me just show you guys something. It's easier for me to show this in action, so let me go to the recent application and let me choose here floating windows. So we have a button called floating windows. When you click on this, you're gonna get presented with applications that are supported. I'm gonna choose Telegram, and yeah, you see what I have? And now look, it gets more interesting. If I do like this, it's gonna get minimized here. If I tap one time, it's gonna get displayed like this. I can of course drag it, right, like this. If I don't like it, I can just make it go away. And then there is this beautiful thing, guys. If I go back, if I choose floating windows, if I choose Telegram, if I want now to go inside and just make this full screen, I just do like this, boom, it becomes full screen. Now it's really gone. Floating windows is really something great, and I'm happy that Xiaomi implemented it. You have a little bit of this also in the One UI 12.1 from Samsung, but this implementation here is rather unique. Let's go back to the special features. Feature number 4 is second space. I think that's really understood from the name. You are able to create your own second workspace and protect it. So let me turn on the second space. It's gonna get created, and then you can choose individual applications, folders, okay, and protect them. 2 spaces, 1 device. Created successfully. Now I'm gonna press continue, okay? Continue here. You can either choose a password to switch between spaces or also choose a shortcut. I'm gonna choose a shortcut, press continue, okay? I can skip the password setting in that case. Voila, it's the same phone, but everything else is different. Really feels unique. How can I go back? Let me go to settings, gonna go again to the special features, gonna click to second space, and now I see all my options. Of course, you can set up a password, you can change the password, you can use it with your fingerprint. You have settings for the first space, shortcut in the settings, home screen shortcut, show notifications from the second space, and you have also some settings for your second space. The best thing is you can move data between spaces. So let's say I install an application in my second space, and then after a while I decided to move it to my first space, vice versa. We can also switch between apps, and then you have also the second space icon in the status bar, right? And then the best thing, guys, delete the second space, press here, press continue, okay, press continue, press move, boom. Everything else from 2 spaces gonna get back to 1 space. And the best thing here is that this goes beyond the concept of having just a guest account, right? Very useful. Let's go back to the special features. Feature number 5 is the Lite Mode. If you select the Lite Mode, you're gonna get bigger icons, less visual clutter and large text. Turn on the Lite Mode, let me just show you, boom. You have the same phone, right? See, no gesture navigation, you have the buttons, and how can I say? This is really very useful, probably for kids and also for elder people. How can you go back? Very easy, go into the settings, see, also the text here is bigger. Go now to special features, okay, Lite Mode, and turn off Lite Mode. And then everything is gonna be back to normal. Let's see if my gestures control are returned. I think they are. Okay, just perfect. All right, let's go back. The final feature is the heart rate. Not a lot of people know this, but if you click on the heart rate, guys, you're able to measure your heart rate with your optical sensor used to unlock the phone with your fingerprint. See, 59 BPMs, 9 seconds remaining, 50 BPMs, 7 seconds remaining. Of course, you're not supposed to be talking when you do this, but I just wanted to use this to illustrate all these special features from the MIUI 12.5.1. I really hope, guys, that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit me down below into the comments or join our Telegram chat. Please, you and your families, guys, stay safe. And with that said, VST over and bye.